Adjust your strategy, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and practical phrase that can be a game changer in various aspects of your life and learning. Adjust your strategy. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your English vocabulary but also equips you with a mindset that promotes flexibility and growth. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase can be applied in language learning and beyond. Adjust your strategy means to change your plan or method of doing something in order to achieve a better result. The word adjust implies a minor change rather than a complete overhaul, suggesting a shift or a tweak in your current approach. Strategy refers to a carefully devised plan of action to achieve a specific goal. Together, the phrase encourages you to re-evaluate and modify your approach to overcome obstacles and improve outcomes. Adjusting your strategy is crucial in language learning. It acknowledges that not all methods work equally well for every learner or situation. For example, if memorizing vocabulary with flashcards isn't helping you retain words, you might switch to learning new words through songs or movies. This flexibility allows for personalized learning experiences that cater to individual strengths and preferences, making the process more effective and enjoyable. The concept of adjusting your strategy applies to much more than just learning English. It's valuable in everyday life, work, and personal goals. Whether it's improving communication in relationships, solving workplace challenges, or pursuing a personal hobby, being open to strategy adjustments can lead to greater success and satisfaction. It encourages a growth mindset and the ability to respond dynamically to challenges. 1. Self-reflection. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals. Identify what's working and what isn't. 2. Seek feedback. Get opinions from teachers, peers, or mentors. External perspectives can offer invaluable insights. 3. Stay informed. Keep up to date with new methods, tools, and resources. Embracing innovation can provide fresh strategies. 4. Embrace failure as learning. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Every failed attempt is a chance to refine your strategy. Thank you for joining me in exploring the powerful concept of adjust your strategy. Remember, the key to improvement in language learning, and indeed in any area of life, is flexibility and the willingness to adapt. By being open to change and actively seeking better approaches, you set the stage for continuous growth and achievement. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and I'll see you in the next video.